Hey cooking friends, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome, and thanks to all of our regular subs for coming back and being with us here this week. And it's getting that time of year where you're craving some comfort food.
Yes.
And I mean, I crave comfort food a lot of times, but there's nothing better than a big bowl of comfort. Of course, we could eat that any time of year, but you know, when it starts getting this time of year, you're like, I'm gonna have to start making a big pot of something.
Soup or chili or this or that.
So you are gonna love this recipe.
We have all of our ingredients laid out here.
We are ready to make this amazing soup. So
we have some Johnsonville sweet Italian sausage.
And you guys could use any kind of sausage you want, spicy, mild, whatever you like.
We're just going to remove the casings and then crumble it up.
And you can buy this already ground up as well.
We will brown up the sausage and drain the fat.
And then
1 cup of diced sweet onion.
Put that in there.
Got to have our onions.
Yeah. Once they're soft.
That smells good. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic.
Add some of that in and let it cook for a couple minutes.
It smells even better. And 1 can of diced tomatoes.
And you don't need to drain this.
And 4 cups of chicken broth.
Which is basically this entire box. We'll pour that in there.
1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning.
And we'll mix that in. Then
2 cups of water.
Now you could use broth also, but I'm just going to use some water for right now. I didn't want to open another box.
And cover it.
And then we got some
bowtie pasta. Sprinkle some of that in there, 1 cup of it.
Depending on how much liquid you add, this should be enough for the soup. And we're going to let that simmer for about 10-15 minutes. Oh, and hey everyone, we have a brand new cookbook out. The Best of Cooking with Shotgun Red Volume 3 is available now.
We got a lot of good recipes in this cookbook.
So check it out.
Once the pasta is cooked, then we are adding 2 cups of fresh chopped spinach.
Delicious. And we're going to just mix this in there, and this is going to reduce down very quickly.
Now that's really making it colorful.
Yeah, it does.
Now, 1 cup of Parmesan Romano cheese. I'm going to add some more. Now, look at that.
We'll mix that in. Look at that. Delicious. It smells so good. And then
1 cup of heavy cream.
Now you can thicken this soup up if you like by making, a slurry, flour and water, or cornstarch and water. But I'm going to keep this more of a brothy type soup today. Add a little bit more heavy cream.
Stir that around in there.
And we're going to let that cook for about 5 more minutes.
Give it a stir and let's eat.
Look at that. Delicious.
See how quick this is?
Pull some of that up in there. Look at all the colors.
A lot of flavor. Look at this.
This is so good. Such a tasty soup. Comfort in a bowl.
Now Steve would say,
is this the best Italian sausage soup you've ever tried?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.